Your phone is still in the car? Bro, if you don't hurry up and grab your phone, twin.
I know how to case you, bro.
You's a freaky ass nigga!
Hey, bro, quit. Hey, that's all on cam, too, bro. Nasty little freaky. Low-key, we seeing some crazy stuff already. I ain't gonna lie. We pulling up in this the beginning, too. I'm seeing a Camaro. I'm seeing a Trackhawk, Mustang.
I'm seeing some other shit.
I hope that's a ZR1. That'd be kind of crazy. Y'all see
You gotta
that
hide
shit?
the microphone. Can't let them know.
Microphone niggas. Hey, we in there, be double stacking, twin in that, be.
Yo, is that new? Yo, is this the new bridge?
Yeah,
That's the new one? Holy shit.
that'd be crazy.
This is crazy.
Bro, they got bro, my pops used to bring me to this bitch. I used to bring a car. I used to bend this motherfucker all gravel, shooting up rocks and shit, gang.
Hell no, bro. This is all powerful.
Bro, he gonna do one burnout, nigga. Nigga, whole stick's gonna be off and shit.
This whole entire pit for what?
That's a fat ass SRT on that bitch though.
Yeah, for real. This whole has some big ass shit.
Where?
Oh
Oh shit, I see 300s and
Oh
shit.
wait, no, yo, I see this for real. I bet. Yeah, I am too. If them niggas ain't me and you. I bet.
What up? Y'all niggas is crazy as hell, bro. Y'all niggas got to be trolling. That 5, shorty in that, she in that bitch different crown. She in that bitch get dirt, gang. Yeah, CTSVs in this bitch. Yeah, that be going stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4. He greasing his shit up now. You got the 392. SRT8. Bro, I seen this nigga shit on Facebook type shit. Then you got the 300s.
The one that we seen around that right there.
Which one?
That
Yeah.
ring? That wide button?
Yeah. Wait, why, buddy?
Stop sign!
No, I said I'm.
What stop sign, man?
I said.
Hey, nigga, hit me if you there, bro. Break your shit, nigga.
Yo, put the Malibu pulling up like that.
Oh, yeah, rev that bitch. Where that motherfucking gang?
I'm standing off to the side. I'm so confused.
I'm trying to figure out what the fuck he doing. He trying to hit our ass. Hey, we better chill. That nigga got like 4 people in the back of that bitch, gang. I am not trying to get sniped.
Здорово. Здорово. Чё, как доехали? Без пробок, нормально? Перегруз. Перегруза нету, гармошка.
Bitch crazy as hell. That is not electric. I don't know what's in that bitch, but it's not electric.
That fucking.
I mean, I'm all the way in 0.5 and shit. Can't even see the damn thing. He got hood clips. He got some crazy shit on there. This CTSV want to be different from these CTSVs and shit. This nigga got that SRT, that Scat pack, bitch. Damn, that bitch kind of crazy. Damn, y'all see the 300 way the fuck over there?
Oh, shit.
A lot.
Oh, yo, the front tin, yo, that red.
Damn, nigga, that bitch crazy.
Why are you going up, bro?
Damn, that bitch crazy. Bad number.
Yo, the post literally said, please no revving. You can't even rev your car, nigga.
Hey, rev that.
Really, nigga?
You got microphones, nigga. Tell them to read that bitch.
Don't rev that.
Hold on, don't do it yet. We just got here. We ain't trying to get booked. We ain't trying to get booked. Oh, if you. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, rev that bitch. Oh, yeah, little bro. Damn, that supercharger big as hell. Damn.
The fuck is you looking at?
Off the tent too, smooth little tent. Y'all see that badge, gang? Y'all see that badge off the SRT Brimbos? Nasty ass nigga. Oh! What you eating on, nigga? You fucking that shit up?
That's it. So this ring.
This nigga. Good nigga, gross nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I ain't never seen a supercharger in person. That bitch big as fuck. That bitch big as hell. Ooh. 392 in there. That motherfucker Cam, gang.
What the fuck? LA back here, bro. We're gonna be the only ones out here, all the way out here talking. We're getting everybody's attention. For no reason. Good, nigga. For no reason, niggas is gonna be like, bro, look at these clowns.
Hey, out the way, out the way, out the way, out the way, out the way.
Smooth little vehicle, I ain't gonna lie.
The fucking black Camaro. You didn't just.
Dog that motherfucker. Oh shit. That motherfucker fire to it. Damn. He dogging that motherfucker low key.
Ooh, why do everyone love us? And they just pat, pat, pat. Because we got the camera. Because we in. We got the camera.
We got the camera.
Nah, they got the microphone.
We got the camera, nigga. We vlogging this.
Yeah, right.
Not the
Oh, yeah, that's it.
I'm trying to hear that Hemi, nigga. SRT with Vino? Vino, is that what it said?
Vino with an X.
Yo, it's a Scat pack, not an SRT, bro. She lame as hell. She lame as hell. Everybody else pat that shit. Hurt? Lame as hell. Damn. The Audi. Audi.
Yo, follow them, follow them.
He's not revving it, he's giving it gas. I know that nigga get She pat that motherfucker. She pat that motherfucker.
Dude, she has the coolest car. She doesn't like her.
Her shit look quiet.
That
nigga's in a Jag. He got one. He got you missing, nigga. You lucky lacking right now, nigga.
Ooh, Jaguar? You see that video? Yeah,
Put that bitch in neutral.
Should we go behind him?
I'm trying to get niggas' heads out the cameras and shit. Hey, there's a lot of fucking cars that's just pulling up.
Fuck.
Where?
Fuck, look behind you. What the fuck? That's undercover. Get that nigga on video.
Hey, yo, we got an undercover nigga on. Damn. Hey, you got your cover, okay? That nigga shit finna blow. Oh, shit. A 392 in that bitch. Bro. I'm a dead ass stop. Let them niggas do their shit type shit. Yo, her shit loud. And I think they gotta push it.
10 seconds later.
Push, nigga, go.
Oh, hey.
Come on, nigga. Hey, somebody got it.
Bruh.
Okay, alright. Ooh, alright.
I'll turn it a little
Right down.
Pat.
down too loud.
Pat.
Okay, you need to turn yours down. Cause you gonna let the cops know where we are.
Pat.
Yeah, there you go. That's smooth.
Low down.
Hurry. Demon. But he got some fat tires on there.
Oh yeah. Pat bitch. Let me say something.
Oh yeah, 300.
Yeah.
He got a demon hood on there. He ain't got shit up in that bitch.
I was about to say the Dodge.
Oh yeah, the Dodge. Oh yeah, that motherfucker. Bet that bitch. Oh yeah. Gotta let her horn.
That's it. We didn't get the rev.
Nigga,
You would have rev. I would have heard that.
Ooh. Hear this bitch? Yo, what the fuck? This shit sound like I got a big block in it, gang. That shit. If he does a fat ass
If I pull
burnout.
my phone with you, they're gonna think I'm recording. Come on. Wait. Give my phone. Tell someone. Tell him Pat Pat.
He's waiting. He's waiting. Oh yeah, somewhere to be. 392 in that bit. Oh, CTS.
The caddy.
CTS. Ooh, come on. Yeah, chill, my chill. Hell no, nigga, that bitch ain't chill, gang.
Shoot them bullets.
Hey, he shoot them bitches, they gonna be projectiles, nigga. Hey, we all done for. Oh yeah, the Equinox. He been in that motherfucker too. He revving that mother. Nigga, you trolling the nigga.
Look at the car.
That nigga said he go kick that. He said he go kick that motherfucker. It's gonna fall apart like Legos. He said that bitch gonna just disconnect.
Blue one though, that shit crazy. Let's see some Pat Pat now.
He hate Pat, nigga. That bitch all gravel. He said neutral. Oh yeah. Turn that bitch up. Jeep, your turn. You pay your shit? You pay your shit? Nah, that nigga ain't pay. Shorty ain't pay her shit. The ramp? You trying to pay your shit? Hey, he got granted.
Oh yeah.
Gramps ain't looking.
Oh shit.
Oh, now niggas wanna do some shit. We ain't recording. What type of shit?
Right when we put the sticks away.
Oh yeah. Who revving his shit? Oh, it's the Audi.
They're having a battle over there, nigga.
Ooh. Hey, don't let that nigga start. Don't let that nigga start his shit. It's bad for that nigga. Damn, your big ass head always gotta be in the way, gang.
Wow, man.
Well, careful. That's the people.
Oh! Hey, move.
Damn, he be spinning his shit. Damn. I know y'all be spinning your shit. Damn, Jay. We know he be spinning his shit. Look how deep that motherfucker is. Oh, he got a dog in that motherfucker too. I ain't gonna lie. Right along. Oh shit. Bark. That bitch smooth too. Gang, what happened? Get back or hey, say get back or get smacked. Y'all see that, bro?
I wrapped it around.
That's how you do it, bro. Still ride, still drive.
It's back good though.
Hell yeah, it sound like it. Shit.
I was just sliding yesterday.
Ooh, where y'all be sliding at? That's on Mark. That's that. Yup. Nope. Then he gotta say it. Don't he gotta say it? Don't he gotta say it? Let's respin, bro. Don't waste it, gang. That junk kinda crazy. I see you. You gonna bring this?
Hey, I'm putting that on. Keep going. Come on. Hell yeah, Monique. Hell yeah. Be in the show. He wanna be in the show. He wanna be in the show. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Told you we need to come back. Told you. Yo, I know you got some power. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Striker. striker. See that